I just picked up the car from Classic Detail in Roseville, California, and the Sequoia looks freaking great. It's in kind of a funny location. It's across the rail yard in Roseville, California. Next to an abandoned warehouse is Classic Detail, next to an empty lot, which is kind of interesting. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere, but it's not, because it's right by downtown Roseville. But anyways, here's the Sequoia. This is our 2007 Toyota Sequoia. It has about 119,000 miles on it right now, and it came out super clean. The paint looks, oh man, the paint looks freaking awesome, right? It looks really nice. They cleaned up the wheels really nice. They threw in a headlight polishing, so my headlights are real clear. You can see my headlights, real nice. And I did make a video previously about getting 3 door dings removed. So now that the door dings are gone and the car's buffed out and polished and waxed, it looks really slick. Looks really nice. The black trim came out really shiny black, which I really like. They shampooed the whole interior, and the interior looks clean. Hey Rex.
What's up?
That's my son Rex. Yeah, the car looks really nice. Let's check out the trunk. It was absolutely filthy in this trunk area, and right now it looks perfect. This black trim was really gray and weathered, and they put some dressing on it to really make the black pop again, and it made a huge difference. It looks really nice. But man, these carpets look so clean right now. It looks great. See how these seats look? Got a thumbs up from Rex. The seats look great. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. It looks really nice. So yeah, let's take a look at the engine bay, because they told me they were going to dress the engine bay as well. So I paid $160 cash for this job, and it included shampooing the entire interior, cleaning like any plastic trim, cleaning the headliner. It included cleaning out the engine bay. As you can see, the engine bay is just spotless, super clean right now. Holy cow, it's so clean. Looks like a brand new car under here. Even the radiator looks super clean, right? And the transmission cooler and the fan, everything looks brand new under here. Looks freaking awesome. Love it. So yeah, they shampooed the entire interior. They cleaned all the trim, cleaned the wheels. They buffed, polished, waxed. They did the engine bay. It took them the whole day. I dropped it off at 7:30 in the morning, and they just finished a little bit after 4 p.m. And it came out awesome. I really like it. Hey bud.
Hey.
I wonder if they cleaned on the inside of the gas filler cap door. Let's see if they did. Nah, they didn't clean inside here. So they missed one spot, but it's all good. I can wipe that off. But yeah, overall it looks great. One thing I added recently was this rear view camera, but when I tried using it a couple times, it's kind of disorienting with connecting to my trailer. Just because it's not centered, it's kind of disorienting for me. So I think I might try moving the camera right in the middle here, but I don't know if there's gonna be much space for me to pull on the handle and have the camera in here, because it's kind of a tight fit to have the camera and be able to open the hatch. But I'm gonna try it later on today when I get home. Maybe I do have enough space and I can relocate the camera there, but I'll try it out. But yeah, overall the car looks freaking awesome, huh? For a 15-year-old car, looks pretty nice. What do you think, Rex? Does it look clean inside?
Yep.
You think we're ready for camping?
Pretty sure.
And we're gonna go camping in this car, and you guys are gonna get it all dirty, huh, Rex?
Yeah. Sorry.
Are you promising that it's gonna be dirty?
Well, I'm not promising it, but I'm hoping it won't.
Oh, you're hoping it'll stay clean?
Yeah.
Okay, that's nice of you to say that. Well, that's it for our Sequoia. We're ready to tow our trailer with it and go camping all summer. The two-wheel drive Sequoia is rated for 6,500 pounds of towing, so that's plenty for our little trailer that we're going to be pulling. And I wanted to get it all clean and ready for camping this summer, so decided to get it detailed. I had the transmission and differential fluid changed the oil, so I think we're ready for some long road trips in this car. Hopefully gas won't go over like $6-7 a gallon. We're approaching $6 pretty soon here, and yeah, maybe I shouldn't care and just keep driving, right? Anyways, thanks for joining us. We had a good time showing you our car. Thanks. Bye. Hard to believe this is a 15-year-old car, huh?